Where does the breakdown of biomacromolecules take place? Option A ileum, option B jejunum, option D duodenum, option D pancreas, option C duodenum. The breakdown of biomacromolecules occurs in the duodenum region of the small intestine. The simple substance thus formed are absorbed in the jejunum and the ileum regions of the small intestine. No significant digestive activity occurs in the large intestine. Option A true, option B false. The correct answer is option B false. No significant digestive activity occurs in large intestine. The only known function of the large intestine is absorption of water, minerals and certain drugs. The inner layer of large intestine also secretes some amount of mucus which help to bind the waste particles together. Which valve presents the backflow of feces into the ileum? Option A ileocecal valve, option B pyloric sphincter, option C sphincter of Oddi, option D cardiac sphincter. The correct answer is option A ileocecal valve. The undigested and absorbed substance are called feces, which enter into the cecum of the large intestine through the ileocecal valve, which prevent the backflow of the fecal matter. Where are the feces stored till defecation? Option A cecum, option B colon, option C anus, option D rectum. The correct answer is option D rectum. The feces are temporarily stored in the rectum till defecation. The activities of the gastrointestinal tract are under the neural and hormonal control for proper coordination of different parts. Gastric and intestinal secretion are stimulated by which of the following? Neural signals, option B external stimuli, option C internal stimuli, option D excretion of cells. The correct answer is option A neural signals. Gastric and intestinal secretion are stimulated by neural signals. The muscular activities of different parts of the alimentary canal can also be moderated by neural mechanism, both local through CNS. What is the ultimate form of energy? Option A heat, option B air, option C water, option D sand. The correct answer is option A heat. Heat is the ultimate form of energy, and that is why the energy requirements of animals and the energy content of food are expressed in terms of a measure of heat energy. What is meant by 1 calorie? Option A amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 kg of water. B Option B 1 ton amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 ton water. Option C amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 milligram of water. Option D amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water. The correct answer is option D 1 gram. The amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water. Heat energy is often measured as a calorie or joule, which is the amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. What is the most common ailment of the alimentary canal? Option A inflammation, option B jaundice, option C diarrhea, option D vomiting. The correct answer is option A inflammation. The inflammation of the alimentary canal is the most common ailment due to the bacterial or viral infections. The infections are also caused by parasites of the intestine like tapeworm, roundworm, etc. Which of the following is symptoms of jaundice? Option A, bile salts deposits in the liver. Option B, bile salts deposits in eye. Option C, bile pigment deposits in liver. Option D, bile pigments deposits in the eye. The correct answer is option D, bile pigment deposits in the eye. In jaundice, the liver is affected. Skin and eye turns yellow due to the deposition of bile pigments, particularly bilirubin. It is a waste material that remains the bloodstream after iron is removed from the blood. Where is the vomiting center present in our bodies? Option A, medulla. Option B, pons. Option C, cerebellum. Option D, hypothalamus. The correct answer is option A, medulla. Vomiting is the ejection of the stomach contents through the mouth. This reflex action is controlled by the vomiting center in the medulla. A feeling of nausea precedes vomiting.